preschool teacher wondering why the day is so chaotic? It's usually because the routines are not clear yet. Today I'll show you how to establish routines that the children will actually follow. Hey, I'm Miss Celeste and I mentor first-year preschool teachers so you don't have to figure it all out the hard way. Routines are the backbone of classroom management. Once the children know what to expect, they feel better, they feel calmer, and you feel like you're in more control of your day. So let's talk about how to set them up. So one thing you could do is pick 3 core routines first. Now, before I go on, I do want to stress that what I usually did was follow my schedule and did a little bit of everything every day, and only the times were modified. So for instance, I made sure that the non-negotiables, things like snack time, lunchtime, nap, recess, things like that, were taught and discussed. Because for those things, the time is usually static, meaning it's set and there's no movement for changing it because it's part of a larger school system. But everything in between those things can be adjusted. So some things can run longer, some things can be cut down. But what I wanted was I wanted my class to experience the day as it was listed on the schedule. Even if it's for 5 minutes. I wanted them to feel and see what actually took place in that particular part of the day. And then I told them what they needed to know for that particular routine. Then every day afterwards, I would either lengthen the time or shorten the time as needed. But for you, if you are feeling overwhelmed by teaching all of the routines, then teach the main ones that will anchor your day. So maybe for you, that would include perhaps arrival, cleanup time, and circle time. And I'm not talking about totally abandoning the other routines, just honing in on your anchors until they have grasped it enough to move on. And that does not mean wait until they have mastered them, because they will need constant repetition, but just enough that they have the basics so that you can move on to the other routines. So the next thing to do is to model. Don't just tell them. They need to see it in action. How many of us are visual learners? And repeat for as long as it may take. And it may take many, many, many times for them to be able to do it without reminders. I show you how to teach routines and other important topics in the first year preschool teacher prep mini course. I provide some practical tools and resources that will set new teachers on the path toward becoming effective and confident preschool teachers. So grab it in the description. Number 3 is practice. So practice. So not only are they seeing it happen, but they are actually now involved in doing it as well. So they're working on that muscle memory and building habits. And one thing that you can do is you can make it fun. Use role playing or even turn it into a game. So when you keep things fun and engaging, it won't feel like it's a lecture. And this is a great way to check that they are understanding without them realizing that you are doing that. The next thing is to use visual supports. So picture cards or schedule strips or something like that will all help with boosting their independence. And one thing about the schedule, I want you to remember that the schedule is not just decoration. Your schedule has a purpose. So what you can do is track the day with them, and that way they get to see what they are currently doing, and then they also get to see what is coming up next. And don't just do it once, do it repeatedly. And the next thing, which is super important, is to reinforce with consistency. Try to stay as close as possible to the original routine as possible once it has been taught. If it is absolutely necessary, then switch it. But then follow up by telling them what you're doing and why. It's just nice to let them in on it because it is their classroom too, and you want them to learn how to trust it. But use your best judgment. And of course, if you change anything, make sure that you teach and practice. Routines take time to stick, but once they do, your classroom will run like a well-oiled machine. But routines are not the only thing that can make or break your day. Check out this video if you want to avoid common back-to-school mistakes new preschool teachers make.